Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. So as usual, if you're watching in recording, you can simply fast forward about 4 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Alice. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, John. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will explore the sacral chakra in a bit more detail. The second, or sacral chakra, corresponds to the gonads in our endocrine system. It's called Svadhisthana in Sanskrit and represents our sexuality, emotions, and physical creation. The color here is orange. This chakra relates to the entire sacral area of the body: hips, low back, abdomen, reproductive system. It also relates to the watery aspect of the body: the bladder, kidneys, urinary tract. So persistent problems in any of these areas may indicate unresolved issues with your sacral chakra. So let's explore this together through a little meditation now. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. As usual, scan your body and notice how you're feeling right now. What's going on for you physically, emotionally, mentally? Bring your awareness to your breath, and without trying to change anything, simply notice the rise and fall of your chest, the natural rhythm of breathing. Root down through your sits bones if you are sitting on the floor. Root down through your feet if you're in a chair. And if you're lying down, just let the weight of your body be taken by the ground. Now bring your attention to the organs of your body that create life, your creative center. Focus on the point just below your navel and imagine the light of orange color activating in the center. Now it's the size of a pin. On your next breath, breathe into this orange pin and allow it to grow into the size of a marble. With another breath, expand the light so that it envelopes your entire lower body. And now let this orange energy of sacral chakra swirl in a circular motion around your whole body. Let this light surround you. As you continue with this visual, tune into my words as I recite some common sacral chakra affirmations for you. You can repeat all of them or some of them that resonates best, silently or out loud. I love myself, heart, mind, and body. I take good care of my body both mentally and physically. I am open to life and all that it has to offer. I have confidence and a zest for life. I express myself in healthy ways. I allow myself to feel the pleasures and abundance of life. I feel connected to others. I am a creator and add beauty to the world. I draw healthy boundaries. I am radiant, beautiful, and strong. I enjoy a healthy and passionate life. I am the source of unlimited happiness. I express my joy into the world. I radiate joy and generosity of spirit. The orange light of the sacral chakra still surrounds your whole body. Allow yourself to absorb this light. Get infused with this creative energy. You are loved. You are open to life in all its expressions. You have the right to feel, to want, without apology, without shame. You are a radiant, beautiful being, leading a passionate life. You are supported by the universe itself and by all those around you. You trust in the abundance of life. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of it, the rise and fall of your chest, your belly. And now we'll recite the bija sound for the sacral chakra 7 times. Vam, V-A-M, Vam, 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 Vam. Once again, scan your body from top to bottom and notice how you're feeling now. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. And as you go through your day today, connect with your sacral chakra energy, the zest for life, seeing beauty in everything you encounter, trusting in the abundance of life, remembering that you are radiant, beautiful, and strong. Remembering that you can express joy in all you're doing. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.